Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video, we were learning how to convert your layouts into a PDF. So there are a few more things that need to be told. Uh, so suppose this one is already set, right? Now I just want to take printout of this basement floor. So how will I go about it? Because initially I had a rectangle, so it was easy to select. Now what we have to do is, when we have to take printout of a certain thing, small plan or something, then we have to double click in the model space, zoom, object, zoom it a bit with your mouse, and then one click and drag your mouse to the other side to select, and then enter. This is how we'll select. And so again, I'll show you. Zoom, object. Suppose now I have to select these two. Then click here on the bottom right, one click, and then drag your mouse to select, enter. Right? Also, uh, there is one more thing that you need to learn. Zoom, object. There is this option called lock. You can see a lock here. Selected viewports are not locked. I'll just click it here, and now my viewport is locked. Even if I double click my workspace, my paper space, it will still remain the same. Okay, I've double clicked on model space, my layout is not going anywhere. So this is how we lock our layouts. This becomes really easy, else sometimes we get lost. Like we just get lost in a model space and paper space. So in that time you need to understand. I'll just show it to you. Lock removed. I'm just zooming in. Sometimes it happens like this, like I'm lost in my model space completely. I don't know where I go. So to come back to your paper space, all you have to do is you need to type P space to go back to your paper space and then scroll. Yeah, yeah, I'm back. Now again, model space to get this window activated. Then select. Zoom feature really helps us a lot. Okay, I forgot. I didn't select it properly. And then lock it. Lock it. It's locked. Now I can do anything. I can take out my printout. There is one more thing that you need to understand. There is one more way to take out your printout. It's directly here in your model space. So how we do this? Again, Control P. Select DWG to PDF. This is A4 size. I'll go to A3 landscape mode because the plan is big. And here I will select window. After selecting window, I'm back to this my screen and I have to select this. So one click, drag your mouse, and then whatever you have selected, that will come in your printout. But generally, now suppose I have to select it again, say Windows, so it will not do. I have to close it and then take out the control. Take out the printout. So right now I've already selected it once, and all I have to do is OK and then save it. Suppose I do it apply to layout. Now what happens? So when we apply to layout, our DWG will remain the same, ISO will remain the same, and window will remain the same. So I'll just show you. Cancel, Control P. See, but then I need to select it, right? I will not be able to select from my screen. So it's better not to apply to the layout. Else, just do little here and there. Go back to PDF. Now window limit window. No, it's not going. Cancel. Again, I'll try. So again, window, display, apply to layout, none, apply to layout, Control P. So it's not happening, right? Uh, so that's why it's better always to create a layout, because it gives you flexibility. See, I have just created one, and now when I have to copy this same thing, suppose I want the same model space size and the A3 size. So what I'll simply do one thing, I'll right click here, I'll do move or copy. Suppose this one I want a copy of it, because it's already done, it becomes easy. Create a copy, then we have a copy of it. I'll simply rename it, renamed. Then here I have the model space. I just have to change my to unlock it, then change it to paper space, double click, zoom, object, P space. That is also another problem that we face. Sometimes we double click on that and we get into it. So then again P space to go back. And I have to select this. Zoom, object, or I'll just simply do this. It's not taking. Zoom, activate your M space. Sorry, zoom, object, selected. It didn't give me the what I want. Zoom, object, select, enter. Yes, finally. So yes, this is how we do it, and these are the issues also that we face in between. uh, since I said that we all are not perfect, and also when we are just switching from one software to other, we tend to forget our commands. Our speed gets hampered. So okay friends, thanks a lot for viewing my video, and hope to see you in my next video where we learn more commands of AutoCAD. And also you may please subscribe to my Insta channel. I will provide my Insta ID in the description box. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, great night.